Hello guys and welcome back to my channel Quest Rider. Hope that you all are fine and doing great. So today we are here to try out and prepare a new mouth-watering chicken biryani recipe. So make sure to watch till the end of the video and come let's see how it is prepared. Wash the chicken thoroughly and drain the water. Then add ginger garlic paste to it. After adding ginger garlic paste, we are going to add some spices. So first we'll add chili powder. We'll add around 3 spoons of chili powder. But if you think that you need to add some more chili powder, you may also add it. After adding 3 spoons of chili powder, we are going to add 2 spoons of Kashmiri chili powder also. You know, Kashmiri chili powder gives you that reddish color in the dish. Not only that, it's not so spicy enough. Even if you add 2 more spoons, it's okay. Then we'll add 3 half spoons of turmeric powder. After adding 3 half spoons of turmeric powder, we are going to add 3 spoons of coriander powder. Once we add coriander powder, we are going to add biryani masala. We have used Eastern biryani masala here. We'll add half a packet of biryani masala. Once you add biryani masala, if you think that you still need some spices to be added, you can also add it. So let's add some chili powder here. Then we'll add 2 spoons of salt. After adding salt, we need to mix it. So we are going to mix it with curd. We are not going to use any water. Instead of using water, we are going to mix it with curd. We have used thick curd here. So we have taken half a packet of curd and we are going to mix it. So while mixing, make sure that everything is mixed properly. Not only that, the spices and all the salt, everything must reach every part of the meat. Then keep it for marinating for 1 hour. While it is kept for marinating, we will go and slice some onion and tomato, green chili and coriander leaves. Then we have to take a clay pot, then add some oil in it, then put the onion. Wait until it becomes golden in color, then add cinnamon, clove, bay leaves, then add tomato, chili, then mix it thoroughly. After mixing, we are going to add some black pepper powder, cardamom, chili powder, and little bit of turmeric powder. We have added chili powder here, and little bit of turmeric powder. We'll take maybe 2 half spoons of turmeric powder. You may also add some coriander powder if you want. Then we'll mix it properly. Then after mixing, we are going to add some salt. Make sure it's mixed properly. Now we'll add some salt. We'll take around 2 spoons of salt because we've already added salt in the chicken, so we are not going to add much salt here. So we'll take around 2 spoons of salt and we'll add it here. And after that, make sure that it's mixed properly. And after you mix, we are going to add some lemon juice. So we are going to take 1 lemon and slice it into 2. Then we are taking 1 half and squeeze the lemon juice in it. Make sure that the seeds doesn't fall down. And after this, we are going to add the chicken. So it's already marinated and we are going to add the chicken. So after adding the chicken, you have the masala still in the vessel, so you can pour some water in it and then put it in the clay pot here. So while it's at boiling, we'll put some ginger garlic paste, so it gives you a different taste and a strong taste of ginger garlic. Then we'll boil the rice. So we have kept it in the water for some time, then we have boiled it. Now we'll take a vessel and we'll put this chicken layer by layer. It has already cooked well. So first add some rice, then we'll add chicken. Then top of it we are going to add some more rice. Spread it well, and instead of pressing, you need to spread it well, and make sure that you take it in different vessels so that it doesn't get sticky. So add chicken to it again. Make sure you add it properly and don't press it down, please. So after that, we are going to add some more rice. So while preparing rice, you may also put a tablespoon of ghee in the vessel so that the rice does not get stickiness. After adding it, we are going to cover it and we are going to garnish it with fried onion and coriander leaves. Then we are going to prepare a side dish. We are going to prepare a kebab. So we had already kept everything ready. So also we'll prepare a salad, vegetable salad, and serve it when it is at hot. So hope you'll love this recipe and please try it in your home and enjoy the dish. Hope that you've enjoyed today's video. Make sure to subscribe this channel and click the bell icon for a quick notification. Until then, take care. God bless.